Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Visual Studio with the Git workload and signing into GitHub if you use it. Once done, set your Git identity with Git config user. Name and user. Email so commits map to you. Open or create a solution inside a dedicated project folder. Then initialize a repository with Git, create Git repository, or run Git init. This gives you version control immediately and links your code to commits for traceability. You now take changes through the standard workflow, modify code, review diffs in Git changes, stage important hunks, and write concise commit messages explaining why. Make a feature branch with Git checkout B so work stays isolated. Push it to origin to create a remote backup. Once ready, open a pull request for review. Use rebase to keep history linear or merge to preserve context. This prevents conflicts and documents intent, which helps teams collaborate efficiently. You finish by syncing with remote. Fetch updates, then pull or rebase main to incorporate upstream changes before merging your branch. Tag release commits for deployment and push both commits and tags so CI picks them up. If Git reports conflicts, open Visual Studio's merge editor to inspect changes, resolve line by line, then Git add the resolved files and Git rebase continue or Git commit. If something breaks, reset to a known commit and retry. That's your safety valve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.